Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. We have a fantastic word for you to explore, understand, and start using confidently in your English conversations. Today's word is accompany. Accompany is a B2 level verb, which means it's perfect for intermediate English learners aiming to broaden their vocabulary and get comfortable with more nuanced words. So, what does accompany mean? When you accompany someone, you go along with them, join them on a journey, or attend an event together. It's about being with someone, often to provide support, guidance, or simply to enjoy each other's company. Think of it as the act of joining someone physically or in spirit as they do something. Now, let's talk about some words with similar meanings. We could use words like escort, join, or attend as synonyms of accompany. For example, would you like me to escort you to the event? Is similar in meaning. Or you could say, I'll join you for the afternoon walk. Likewise, she was happy to attend the concert with her friend. These all show a similar idea of going along with someone or being present with them. On the flip side, let's look at words with the opposite meaning. Some antonyms for accompany are leave, abandon, and desert. So, instead of joining, these words mean going away or not staying with someone. You might hear, he had to leave her at the entrance, or they decided to abandon the project halfway. Each of these words gives a different picture of separation rather than togetherness. Now, let's bring accompany into everyday life. Imagine you're at a friend's party and you say, I'd be happy to accompany you to grab some food. Or at work, our manager asked me to accompany her to the meeting with the client. Even at the airport, who's going to accompany grandma on her trip back home? As you can see, accompany fits naturally into so many situations, making it a great word to have at your fingertips. Here are a few more examples to make it stick. She decided to accompany her cousin to the doctor's appointment. The pianist was accompanied by a violinist during the performance. I'm happy to accompany you on your shopping trip if you'd like some company. To sum up, accompany means to go along with or join someone, whether for a specific purpose or just to share the experience. Whether you're talking about joining a friend, escorting someone, or simply being there as a companion, accompany is a word that perfectly captures the spirit of being together. Thanks so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing and leaving us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to try creating your own sentence using accompany and share it with us in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring words and making them your own.